Hello friends, today I'm going to cook pumpkin fry. So I have to take a slice half onion which is already chopped and 2 cloves of garlic and 1 pinch of ginger and 1 green chili which is cut into small piece. So here I have half cut of pumpkin, so I have take 3 sliced pumpkin, so I have cut into small pieces. I have put karai, so now I'm going to pour oil. We have to wait till the oil is getting heat. So now I have put onion, garlic, chili at the same time. So we have to stir it nicely till the onion is become golden brown in color. Not so much golden brown, it's like light little golden brown. So now I have put pumpkin in a low flame, so I have put the gas in a very low flame. So now I'll put all the ingredients here. Like garam masala, coriander, pepper, salt and turmeric. The masala garlic, turmeric, garam masala, coriander and little chili powder. So now we have to mix it well. Pumpkin is ready.